Remine Mobile, your Miami MLS mobile solution. Creating a CMA for a property in Remine Mobile is easy. Simply open the property, select from the three dots on the top right, select to create a CMA on the bottom. You can choose your comparables by status, list price, sold price, beds, baths, listing, distance, and more. Continue to next. Select the distance, half mile. And remember to join us for a CMA workshop class. Though you can make these adjustments here, we give more details on a CMA workshop class. Once you've made your selection in your criteria, you can choose from garage spaces, parking spaces, building type, and more. Then click Next, select property type, click Next, and view your CMA criteria. You can choose the properties or remove them by clicking on Remove. You can then select a color scheme. Create a report is easy. You can easily share it by clicking on Email and sending yourself a copy, selecting a customer from your contacts and clicking Submit. Close out. Click to close, and you're set to go. That's how easy it is to create a CMA. Join your Miami trainers for a Remine Mobile class. Thank you for being Miami members.